I try not to let the rain or the weather at all try to stop me from shooting because, you know, nobody can ever rely on the weather. It's about 3:30. I'm in Jongro in the back alleys where they have all these delicious restaurants. Real home cooking kind of knit and that. I've been down here a few times, but I really want to show the down-home cooking feel and look. You can't imagine the smell, or maybe you can, the smell that's coming out of these pots. It smells really good. The Ajuma's running the fort. This place is rich with restaurants, huh? Cooking and cutting and waiting for the dinner crowd to come. Some of these meals, though. Swing this camera around here a little bit if I can. I got a umbrella and stuff like that, so it's been raining most of the day, but I had to get out. I was working from my home, but I had to get out and get some fresh air. So I live close to Jongro Samga, so this is where I come when I need some fresh air. I only have to be on the subway for about 10 minutes, and then I'm in the heart of this part of the city anyways. And I don't care about the weather so much because I can walk around with an umbrella just as well as I can walk around without one. So now I just kind of decide where I want to go. I think I might walk down to the Jongrycheon. It's Buddha's birthday, so there's a lot of silence and a lot of absence of hustle bustle downtown people. Nobody working. So I'll go up to the main strip here, okay? And I saw a lot of police buses here. They're waiting at the subway stations, and I count 1, 2, 3 buses. 3 police buses. Civil service kind of buses. I guess maybe it's on a holiday, a lot of people can congregate. And this way, if you just keep people on standby, then nothing ever flares up too much. Happy Buddha's birthday. You can imagine the smells coming from there too. Good smells. Okay, so I'll leave from the street where there was the Buddhist parade, and I'll walk in the other direction. There's the Millennium Building in the background. Oh, you know, I said that I saw like 3 police buses, but there's another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. As far as I can see, there's those police buses. Anyhow, I'll log out, shut her down, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day wherever you are. Bye for now.